Hi, it's 𝕻𝕗𝑇𝕗𝑘𝕚. I'm back with another video. So this is one of the highly requested videos that everyone's kept asking me about. What business model do you use and how can I use it? So this is Dropshipping 101. Um, if you are here and you are looking to dropship, then this is for you. I go by at Black Level CEO on Instagram if you don't already know me. So, drop shipping is for you if you're a business owner and you want to know how to sell products without inventory, if you want to learn how to add another source of income without using any of your own money, or if you started drop shipping and you need more clarity. So, what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is a retail business method or model. So, in this model, the seller doesn't keep any of their products that they sell in stock. So, if someone buys from you, then the items that you purchase will be from the third party. You don't have anything on hand, you're not using your own money, and it's shipped directly to the customer from the supplier that you're using. How it works. So, this is a basic diagram of how it works. As you can see, you start off by finding a product that you want to sell. So if you are in the industry, the beauty industry, then you'll go and find a supplier that's in the beauty industry with products like that. So you'll advertise the supplier's items on your website. Then once you make the sale, the customer pays you directly. You place the order with the supplier and pay them with the accent. It could easily be a wholesale item for $300. You charge the customer $400, and then the $100 will be yours. The supplier ships the item directly to the customer. You give the supplier their information. You let them know that you are drop shipping, so not to include any of their personal information. And once it's confirmed, you pay the money, then they'll ship it directly. And then you can repeat with more products and things like that. So it's a great business model if you choose to do it. It doesn't take any rocket science. The only thing is it does take some type of effort when it comes to advertising. So you want to be able to know how to market and know how to appeal to a customer in order for them to buy into what you want to sell. Where can I drop ship from? So any platform as such as Shopify, Wix, eBay, Poshmark, OfferUp, Twitter, etc. You can use the platform to sell on. So if you are someone who likes Facebook market, you can use the seller's picture, which is called a stock photo, and place it there. And then once the customer places the order, you can go to the supplier and then let them know that you have an order, give them the information, give them what they're asking for, and then they'll ship it. So you can use items from Walmart, Target, the supplier, Amazon, etc. So it's basically a model where you are being the third party. You are the what people would consider to be the middleman. Yes, it is completely legal to do. Um, and you also just have to make sure that the products you are selling and the supplier that you are using is reliable. You don't want the customer to be upset with what they're receiving. Make sure that you do get samples of the products if you can, or look up the reviews and make sure that everything is of good quality. So one of the things they don't want you to know is that drop shipping is very competitive. Yes, there are a lot of people who will be in the same field as you, using the same stock photos as you. So there's not really a way to differentiate, as far as the product goes. But if you do get samples in, you could differentiate yourself by taking pictures and having a brand that reflects a professional and reliable source to buy products from. A lot of the times you can't control the quality. You can't control how much of inventory they have, but you have to do your due diligence by um, uh, letting them know that I'm gonna be looking forward to working with you. I am someone who is excited to do this type of model, and I would appreciate if everything is of good quality and you let me know what's in stock, and so that we can have a better relationship. It's hard to know whether or not the supplier is going to be good, but like I said before, you can look up reviews and make sure that they are who they say they are. So I'm going to let you guys in on another one. So right here is the vendor that I want to show you guys. It's called 𝕻𝕠𝕗𝕚. So if you are someone who's starting a boutique, this could be a good source for you. Okay, so this product right here. So say for instance, the customer, you place these pictures on your website. The customer says that they want the product. You let them know that it may take about a week or two, depending on what the supplier tells you, and considering that the pandemic is going on. Let them know what type of material it is, so that they can be comfortable. And what you're going to do is check the price. So the price is $13. What we try to do is we try to do a times two method. So if it's 13, it'll be around $26 or closer to 30. But really, you could price up whatever you would want to in order to make it work for you, depending on your depending on what you want to do with your own boutique. So it comes with 2 pieces and they have it in 12 colors. So what you'll do is you'll add it to the cart. And then once it's in the cart, then you'll go ahead and put your customers' information in here, and then it'll give you, depending on how many you get at one time, then it'll let you know that you've gotten a discount. So you can put in here and say, hi, I am drop shipping. Please do not include receipts or anything. Okay, so the backspace is a little bit messed up. Okay, so do not include. So then you'll check out with your customer information, and then it'll get it shipped to them directly. But it is important that you let the customer know all of this information as far as how long it's going to take, what the material is, so that you won't be getting a a customer who is mad at you because you haven't fulfilled their customer service satisfaction to their satisfaction. So you can use any site as long as you are consistent with your business. Make sure that you're posting every day and adding new items. So that's important. Don't get discouraged because you're watching other people, and you want to also make sure that you're engaged and giving people a sense of who you are as far as a seller, and letting them know that the products that you do sell are good products. So if you are someone who's watching this and you want to see part 2, then like, subscribe, and comment below if this is helpful for you. And thank you for watching.